Okay? Just so you guys know what to expect tomorrow. I will not be here. I've said that. Okay? When you come into class, we will do, what I'm going to do is I don't have, I'm not going to leave my iPad here. I need it for stats. So on Dropbox will be the answers to 2.2. Okay? Come in, correct it. I will have the quiz for you for 2.2. Take the 2.2 quiz. Then you're going to do logic puzzles. Why do you ask? Well, logic puzzles, we're doing a lot of reasoning. And so you're going to do a logic puzzle together. And then you have a logic puzzle as homework. My guess is you'll probably finish it in class. That'll be what tomorrow looks like. Okay? Here's my caveat. I will not be happy. I don't expect that with this class. I don't expect it with any of my classes. But I expect you to be better behaved for a sub than you are for me. If I hear, oh, Luke was acting up, or somebody was acting up, I am not happy at all. Okay? I expect you to be better behaved for the sub than for me. So, all right, we're going to start off with conditional statements. My guess is most of you haven't dealt most with conditional statements before. Okay? That was weird. A conditional statement is a statement that can be written in the form if P then Q. If I go to school, then I am a student. Right? That's a conditional statement. If I go to school, then I am a statement. Okay? If I am a girl, then I will be a woman. If I have a light, no. I would say if I drive a car, then I have a license. But people drive a car without a license. Yes.
If I'm in San Antonio, I'm in Texas.
Yes. If I'm in San Antonio, then I'm in Texas. Okay. If then statements is a conditional statement. The hypothesis is your if part. So if I'm in San Antonio would be my hypothesis. My conclusion would then be the then statement. Then I'm in Texas. Okay? Looking at it, PQ. Draw this picture. This picture is going to help you today. This big thing is your conclusion. This little P is your hypothesis. Okay? And P and Q. I don't know why we use P and Q. We always have, though. P means that Q happens. That's what the little arrow means. P means that Q happens. If we have P, then we have Q. If we have P, then we have Q. Okay? So, like I said, the if P, then Q is your conditional statement. Your hypothesis is your if. Your conclusion is your then. That's really the important part to know. Or that your hypothesis is your P, your conclusion is your Q. I know, it's boring. It's not as fun to not investigate as it is in first chapter. But we'll get back there. I promise. You'll be alright. I promise. You're gonna survive.
Are guessing permanently like this
For this week. Because I have lit terms quiz tomorrow. Oh. Yeah. And then maybe for Monday, because I probably won't get them changed before Monday. Okay. Alright, so I have these on there. Okay? We want to identify the hypothesis and conclusion of each conditional. If a butterfly has a curved black line on its hind wing, then it is a viceroy. So we just want to say, what is the hypothesis? What is the conclusion? I'm going to underline the hypothesis in green and underline the conclusion in pink. Okay? So what is my hypothesis here, Lisa?
If a butterfly has a curved black line on
If a butterfly has a curved back line on its hind wing. Okay? It's the if term. The if term is my hypothesis. Hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Yeah. Luke, what's my conclusion then?
Then
Viceroy. Tiffany, what is, this one's a little harder. A number is an integer if it is a natural number. Do you know what my hypothesis is? If it is a natural number, then Justin, what's my conclusion?
A number is an integer.
That a number is an integer. Not too bad, right?
When the light from the projector is shining on the pink, it looks red.
Oh.
At least to me it does.
Oh, that's not
Okay.
me.
All right, do the Oyo on there. A number is divisible by 3 if it is divisible by 6. So do it on your paper, yeah. A number is divisible by 3 if it is divisible by 6.